Hello everyone, myself Sriyansh of Standard 8B. Today I am going to explain the chapter sound. Learn about sound, pendulum, motion of time, oscillation, amplitude, time. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy that is produced when objects vibrate. Now the second topic, the speed of motion of an object is used to find out the distance traveled by the object in unit time. What is simple pendulum? The bob hung by a simple unstretchable string is known as simple pendulum. What is oscillation? Let's have a diagram, then we can understand what is oscillation. If you give bob a push, it performs slow to and fro movements from the mean position to the extreme position and then again come back to its mean position, and this whole process is known as oscillation. The number of oscillations per second is known as frequency. The maximum distance by which the bob moves away from its mean position is called the amplitude of the oscillation.